Welcome back to the Ninox learning series. In this tutorial, we will see how to use existing Ninox templates to create a new project. So for that, log in to your Ninox platform, and here you can see there is an option to create a new database. Click on New Database. And here you can see there is an entire list of the templates that Ninox provides. You can use any of these existing templates to create a new project. In this tutorial, we are going to use timesheet template. Select the template and just say create database. It will create replica of the template. In this template, you can see there is a pre-populated data with two views added to the existing table. You can explore this template to see what all fields are already available. As you can see, there are certain combo boxes. Calendar field is there. And you can go to the settings icon and say edit fields to see how the fields are configured for this template. And you can also edit the existing template as per your project requirement. Now let us try modifying this template. Let us add a new field. So I'm dragging here a text area and renaming it as comments, and just save it. So here you can see it is getting reflected on the user interface. Similarly, if you want, you can keep on adding new fields in this template and save it and use it for your project. In our next tutorial, we will be creating a new project from scratch, and you will be introduced to data fields in Ninox. Thank you for watching and keep learning.